Have you ever found your dream job, crafted the perfect application, clicked submit, and then sat wondering to yourself, man, I wonder what that recruiter or hiring manager was actually looking for. I wonder how they see and perceive my application and how I stack up against the rest of the applicants in the pool. That's the exact reason I started this channel, because I want to help you level up your career and give you insider tips and tricks how to land your dream job. I've been blessed to be a recruiter who's been able to recruit for some of the largest companies in the world, and I've seen thousands of different applications come across my desk and taking people through the recruitment process. I want to help you reach your career goals. So if that's of interest for you, then I'd love you to follow along, subscribe, and as we journey together to take your career to the next level.